Hello my dear student, lecture number 8 for CBSE board, chapter number 8, trigonometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 8.4, question number 5. Tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Solution. Left hand side is equal to tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. So convert this into basic ratios, that is sine and cos. So is equal to sine theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. So this example is important. Now is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. This you simplify. Equalize denominator. Sine theta is denominator. So sine theta minus cos theta upon sine theta plus cos theta upon sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. So in this case, remember, this is sine theta minus cos theta and this is cos theta minus sine theta. Okay. Now then this next step is important. So sine theta, therefore sine theta upon cos theta into reciprocal sine theta upon sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, so this is equal to sine square theta into bracket upon cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta and minus, now here I change this sign, this is positive, so this become negative here and I change this sequence. So this is equal to cos square theta upon sine theta into bracket, this is cos theta minus sine theta, I write sine theta minus cos theta, so I take minus sign outside the bracket and this sign I give here, so this positive become negative. So this step is very important. Okay, and now then you simplify. So this you subtract. So my denominator is sine theta into cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta. So here cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta is there and sine theta is not there, therefore you have to multiply by sine theta here. So this is equal to sine cube theta minus cos cube theta upon sine theta into cos theta into bracket sine theta minus cos theta. And now this you use algebraic identity. So this is very important. So this is equal to sine theta minus cos theta into bracket sine square theta, this is minus, so plus sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now then sine theta minus cos theta and sine theta minus cos theta get cancelled. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus sine theta into cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta, and here I use this sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 identity. And now then you split up denominator. So 1 upon sine theta cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta. So this and this get cancelled and is equal to 1, and this is equal to 1 upon sine theta into 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon sine theta is equal to cosec theta and 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, and therefore left hand side is equal to cosec theta into sec theta plus 1, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number 4. 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Okay. Left hand side is equal to 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to 1 plus 1 upon cos a upon 1 upon cos a is equal to cos a. Here I simplify this. Cos a plus 1 upon cos a upon 1 upon cos a. So 1 plus cos a upon cos a into cos a is equal to this 1 plus cos a. So this cos a and this cos a get cancelled. Now 1 plus cos a, so 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to 1 plus cos a, and you want this expression. Here denominator is 1 minus cos a and inner denominator is not there, and therefore I multiply and divide by this denominator 1 minus cos a. So 1 plus cos a upon 1 into 1 minus cos a upon 1 minus cos a, and if you simplify this you will get 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a, and 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a, and therefore left hand side is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a and is equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number 5. Now this question is also important. Okay. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Using the identity cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So to prove this you use this identity. Okay. Now cos left hand side is equal to cos a minus sin a plus 1 upon cos a plus sin a minus 1, dividing numerator and denominator by sin a. So this is equal to cot a minus 1 plus cosec a upon cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. And now then this and this you take together, so cot a plus cosec a minus 1 upon cot a minus 1 minus cosec a plus 1. Okay, and then you rationalize the denominator. So this is equal to cot a plus cosec a minus 1 upon cot a minus cosec a plus 1 into cot a plus cosec a upon cot a plus cosec a, and then you simplify this. So this into this is equal to cot a plus 1 cot a plus cosec a square minus this into this is equal to same bracket cot a plus cosec a upon this is equal to cot a minus cosec a, and cot a plus cosec a is equal to cot a square minus cosec a square plus this into this is equal to cot a plus cosec a. Now cot square a minus cosec square a, this is what identity, this is equal to minus 1, and so but 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a, and therefore cot square a minus cosec square a is equal to minus 1, and this you substitute here, and therefore left hand side is equal to cot a plus cosec a into bracket cot a plus cosec a minus 1 upon minus 1 plus cot a plus cosec a. Observe properly, this bracket and this bracket is same, get cancelled, and therefore left hand side is equal to cot a plus cosec a is equal to right hand side. Okay, so this question is important. Go through this question again so that you understand. Okay, question number 6. Under root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a is equal to sec a plus tan a. Left hand side is equal to under root 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a is equal to under root 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. So I rationalize the denominator here. So there is equal to under root 1 plus this bracket and this bracket is same. So it is equal to 1 plus sin a square upon 1 minus sin square a. So is equal to under root 1 plus sin square bracket square is equal to cos square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a and is equal to, now both are square, so you remove your this square root and write down square root of this. So 1 plus sin a upon cos a, and now this here you split up the denominator. So this is equal to 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a and is equal to sec a plus tan a, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 7. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Okay. Now sin theta minus left hand side is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So here you take sin theta common and here you take cos theta common. So sin theta into bracket 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into bracket 2 cos square theta minus 1 and is equal to sin theta upon sin theta into bracket sin square theta. For this one you substitute sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta into bracket. For this one you substitute this, but remember negative sign is here. So 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta minus cos square theta, and then you simplify this. So this is equal to sin theta into bracket cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus into bracket cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this and this bracket is same, get cancelled, and is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and is equal to tan theta, and hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.